Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get an Amazon affiliate link for a specific product. This is incredibly useful if you want to earn commissions by promoting products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now, here's something really important to keep in mind. To get an Amazon affiliate link for a specific product, you must first be an Amazon associate and then use Amazon's built-in tools while logged in. This ensures you have access to all the features needed to generate these special links. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once the page loads, log in with your credentials again. This is your Amazon Associates dashboard, where all the magic happens for creating and managing your affiliate links. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines icon. This will open up a menu with several options. From that menu, select Tools. This section contains various resources and features designed to help you maximize your affiliate earnings. Now click on SiteStripe. This feature is essential because it adds a toolbar to your Amazon browsing experience that makes generating affiliate links incredibly simple and fast. You'll see an option to click Learn More. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a page where you can enable the SiteStripe feature for your account. Here's a crucial step. You must toggle on the display status to enable SiteStripe. Once you do this, the toolbar will appear whenever you browse Amazon while logged into your associate's account, making it super convenient to grab affiliate links on the fly. Now go back to your Amazon page. In the top search bar, click it and search for your preferred product, then press Enter. The search results will populate based on what you typed, giving you a variety of options to choose from. Browse through the results and click on the product you want to promote. This will take you to the product's detail page, where you can see all the information, images, and pricing. Once you're on the product page, look towards the upper right corner and click Get Link. This is where the SiteStripe toolbar really shines, allowing you to instantly generate your unique affiliate link for this specific product. Finally, copy the affiliate link that appears. This link is now ready to be shared wherever you'd like, whether that's on your blog, in an email, or across your social media platforms. Anyone who clicks this link and makes a purchase will earn you a commission. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Amazon affiliate link for a specific product. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.